Hello students, welcome to EDUHUNT online video classes. In the previous session, we have discussed the concept which is based on rational numbers. Now we are going to solve few questions based on the topic. The very first question is square root 9261 equivalent to 96. That means square root of this number is 96. Then find the square root of this number. In any square root, for example, 64 is given. Square root of 64 is equal to 8. How many digits are there in this perfect square? 2 digits are there. How many digits did I get in the square root of this number? 1. So, here 4 digits are there. I got 2 digits in the square root. For 4 digits, write 96. For 2's is write 10. For 2 digits, write 10. That means 0.0096 is the answer for this question. 0.0096 option C is the correct answer for this question. Let's see the next one. If 1176 is equal to, then the number of divisors of 1176. That means number of factors we have to find. Number of factors, how do we find? First, we should write this in the form of exponent by using prime factorization. 2 5's 10, 2 8's 16, 2 8's 16, 2 2's 4, 2 9's 18, 2 4's 8. 2 1's, 2 4's 8, 2 7's. 7 table. 7 2's, 7 1's. 3 7's. Okay. This 1176 can be written 2 power 3 into 7 power 2 into 3 power 1. The next step, what we should do? Take the exponents. 3, add 1. 2 plus 1. 1 plus 1. Now multiply all these. This is 4, 3, 2. 4 3's 12, 12 2's 24. So number of factors or number of divisors of 1176 is 24. Okay. Let's see the next one. X is equal to 8275, then the least number that is to be added to x to make it a perfect square. First we have to check this number 8275. 8275. Use the long division method. By using long division method, we get a coefficient over here. Okay. This x will be square of this number and next number of this number. In between this number, square of this number and the next number. Okay. Now find the square of this number, then subtract this 8275 from this number. That number only, the result will be added to that number to make it a perfect square. Okay. Right. Let's see. First we solve this question. 8275. Long division method, 2 digits and 2 digits. Finding the square root. 5 5's 82. We have to take the perfect squares only. 5 5's 25, 6 6 36, 7 7's 49, 8 8's 64, 9 9's 81. So 9 9's 81. Here remainder is 1. We have to write 7 5 here. 9 double number is 18. So we have to write double of the coefficient which we got previously. 18. So here if I write 1, I should write 1 only. So now multiply this 1 and 181. I will get 181. 181 is the largest number. So, therefore, I should not take 1. 18 here. If I take 0, 0 here. So 90 square. This number, this 8275 is in between 90 square and 91 square. Now find the 91 square. 91 square. How do we find 91 square? 91 into 91. Otherwise, you can use a plus b whole square. 90 plus 1 whole square. 90 plus 1 whole square. Right. 90 square. 8100 plus 1 square 1, 2ab, 2 into 90 into 1, 2 nines 18, 180. Now add all these numbers, 8100 and 180 and 1. This is 1828, 8281. So this is the 8281 is the perfect square number, but the number is given 8275. Now 8281 minus 8275. So subtract these numbers, we get the number which is to be added to this number to make it a perfect square. 11 minus 5, 6. This is 6. So we should add 6 to this x, then the result will be perfect square. Okay, let's see the next one. When the sum of last 4 prime numbers less than 100 multiplied by the sum of first even composite numbers and odd composite numbers, then the result is. When the sum of last 4 prime numbers less than 100, last 4 prime numbers, 97 is the last prime number less than 100. Next, 97. Next, let's check one by one. 97 we know that. 96 is not a prime number. So 95 is not a prime number, and 90 otherwise directly write. 79, 83, 89 and 97. These are the last 4 prime numbers less than 100. Sum, we have to take the sum of these numbers. That means 79, 83, 89 and 97. This is 10. 10 plus 9, 18, 28. This is 11, 19, 90, 27, 27, 34, 348. Multiplied by the sum of first even composite number, first even composite number, that is 4, and first odd composite number. Odd composite number is 9. Sum, this is 13. We should multiply these two numbers, then the result will be 348 into 13. That is 4524. Where is 4524? Option B is the correct answer for this question. Let's see the next one. If the square of fifth multiple of 8 is added to the square of first and odd composite number, then the square root of the sum is. Square of fifth multiple of 8. Fifth multiple of 8 means 8 into 5. Square. 40 square. 40 square is 4 4s 16. 1 0 is there. So we have to put 2 zeros. 1600. Is added to square of first odd composite number. Added to first odd composite number. What is first odd composite number? 9. Then the square root of the sum is. The square of fifth multiple of 8 is added to the square of first odd composite number. Square of odd composite number. That means 9 square. 1600 plus 81, that is 1681. 1681. Square root of this number. 1681. By using long division method, find the square root of this one. 4 4s 16, 0, 8 1, 4 double 8, here 1, here 1, 1 into 81, 81, 41. 41 is the square root of this number. So 41 is what number? An even prime number? No. An odd prime number? A perfect number? None. 41 is a prime number. So odd prime number is the answer for this question. Let's see the next one. If a into 3 whole square plus a into 4 whole square is a perfect square, then its square root when a equal to 7. Substitute a value here. 7 into 3 whole square plus 7 into 4 whole square. Okay. This can be written 7 square. Don't multiply and add. 7 square into 3 square plus 7 square into 4 square. Take 7 square common. 3 square plus 4 square. 7 square into 9 plus 16. 9 plus 16 is 25 into 7 square. 7 square into 5 square. So this is 7 into 5 whole square. That is 35 square. 35 square is 35. Okay. Let's see the next one. If x is equal to where r equal to 2q, q is equal to 3p and p is equal to 2, then the number of divisors of x is 2 power p into 5 power q into 11 power r. 2 power p, p value is 2. 2 power 2 into 5 power q value. Q is equal to 3p. 3p means 6. Into 11 power r. R means 2q. This is 12. 11 power 12. Then the number of divisors is, take the exponents, 2 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 12 plus 1. 3, 7, 13. This is 91 into 3. 3 ones 3, 27. 273 is the answer. That is very first option is the correct answer. Okay. Let's see the next question. If there are x 2-digit prime numbers, then the value of x plus 28 is square root. X 2-digit prime numbers. How many 2-digit prime numbers are there? In between 1 to 100, there are 25 prime numbers. In 1 to 10, how many prime numbers are there? 2, 3, 5, 7. That means 4 prime numbers are there. Subtract these 4 from this. 25 minus 4, that is 21. 21 plus square root 21 plus 28. That is 49. Square root 49 is 7. Okay. Let's see the next question. 390625 is a perfect square. The number of digits in its square root. For every 2 digits, there is one number in the square root. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there must be 3 digits only in the square root of that number. Let's see the next one. Square root of this is equal to x, square root of this is equal to y, then x plus y is equal to. Okay. Square root of 529 is 23. Square root of 529 is 23. How many digits are there in the perfect square number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there must be 3 digits in the square root of that number. Already 2 digits are completed. Just keep a 0 and 0. 0.023 is the square root of this number. And 49. Square root of 49 is 7. How many digits are there? 2, 4, 6. That means 3 digits must be there. That means 0.007 is y. Then x plus y is equal to, just add these numbers. 3 plus 7, 10, 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 0, 3, 0 plus 0, 0. That means 0.03 is the value of x plus y. Option C is the correct answer. Let's see the next one. Square root of 289 is subtracted from the sum of the first 7 odd prime numbers, then the resultant is. Square root 289 is subtracted. What is square root 289? Square root 289 is 17. We should know the 30 squares at least. Is subtracted from the sum of first 7 odd prime numbers. Sum of first odd prime numbers. First write the prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay. First 7 odd prime numbers. 2 is even prime number. So remove this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 19. 7 odd prime numbers. From the sum of 7 odd prime numbers, 17 should be subtracted from this sum of 7 odd prime numbers. Okay. So if I subtract this one, this 17 and this 17 is cancelled. Now add the remaining numbers. This is 20. This is 30. This is 8. 20 plus 30, 50. 50 plus 8, 58 is the answer for this question. We should work in the smart manner. Let's see the next one. X is equal to square root 1 9 by 16 and y is equal to 1 19 by 81. Then x minus y is equal to. First find the square root of this number. Okay. 16 once 16. 16 plus 9, 25 by 16 square root. This is x value. Here 5 by 4. And y value 81 into 81. 81 plus 19, 100. Y equivalent to 100 by 81. This is 10 by 9. Now x minus y. 5 minus 5 by 4 minus 10 by 9. Take the LCM. LCM is 36. Because these two numbers are co-prime numbers, 9 5s 45 minus 4 10s 40. This is 5 by 36. Option A is the correct answer for this question. In this session, we have discussed the try yourself worksheet. In the next session, we are going to solve few questions. Thank you for watching.